Did you guys have fun today?
Yeah.
What did we do?
SeaWorld.
What was your favorite thing?
SeaWorld was nice. My favorite show was the dolphin show.
Mine was the nice favorite slide.
Oh. Which one? Was it the Shamu one?
Yeah, the Shamu one.
John, what was the name of the dolphin that jumped so high?
Duncan.
How high did Duncan jump?
I'm guessing 20 feet
Jeez.
off the water.
Daddy, let's Shamu.
Shamu is the big whale. My show.
Shamu.